2006 Kawasaki Ninja 650R. Aero exhaust. I just bought this a couple weeks ago. Been buying all the parts for it to get it back together. Handlebars were broken, stuff like that. Laid it down on this side. Messed up the tank, still holds gas. Just bought the new battery, Chrome Pro, off of eBay with the digital display. Shows you your battery, when it's running, how long you've had it in, 1 day, which I'm upside down, so hasn't even been a day. I just put it in. That's with it running. Got some new pegs for it, sliders, R&G Racing. It's used, but still good quality, still decent shape. The heads ain't tore up that bad on them. This one's got a little, these are the bar ends, same R&G Racing, and the back ones, road rash, but nothing major. Worth every dollar I spent on this bundle. Bunch of different stuff, bolts, brackets, a couple different brackets I needed, and swapped them all out. Besides the gas tank and getting the handlebars tightened up and the new light put on, I gotta get a new one. I might run with this for a little bit, but got some of it wired up to the switches, the blinker, they're flashing crazy fast because there ain't no resistors. And then the headlight, looks like it's got a yellow light bulb in there for some reason, but I don't know. The other one I haven't wired up yet. That's what they had on here, but it wasn't wired. It was all messed up. But besides that, 06 Ninja 650R. Need any help or any info on it, what to do, how to get stuff apart, let me know.